let's see today's delicious bread custard pudding. Now first we're going to make the custard. So here I'm going to be heating 1 liter of milk, and here I've taken 2 tablespoons of custard powder and mixed it with 1/4 cup of milk. We will be needing 3/4 cups of sugar, and here I've taken about 6 slices of bread, cut off the edges and just cut each slice into 4 pieces. I put them into a flat dish like this. Now we're going to add the sugar, and we're going to mix the sugar into the milk till all of the sugar dissolves really well. So this is basically the ready-made custard powder that you get. All the instructions are given to just go as per the instruction packet. So now I'm going to mix this really well, and I'm going to mix the custard powder one more time because in this, it tends to settle to the bottom. So just give it one more whisk so that everything gets mixed up very well, and then add it to the milk and sugar mixture. I'm just trying to get all of that goodness into the milk, and then we're just going to stir it, and it almost immediately starts to thicken. Within a few seconds actually it starts to thicken. So keep an eye on it, don't leave it unattended, and then just turn off the heat, and you can see that it's nice and thick. This is the consistency we're looking for. It kind of sticks to the back of the spatula. So now I'm just going to pour this over the bread slices. And then I've just taken some nuts like almonds, cashew nuts and pistachios, and I've just chopped them up fine, and I'm just going to add about half the quantity. So I have about half a cup. I'm just going to add about 1/4 cup of it, and this is now to be brought to room temperature and then refrigerated for about half an hour. Now here I have half a cup of fresh cream. I'm just going to whisk it using my electric whisk. If you don't have an electric whisk, don't worry, you can use the normal manual whisk, but just whisk it for about 5 minutes till it starts to thicken a bit. Now I'm going to add half a cup of condensed milk. Now I'll leave my recipe a link of how to make condensed milk at home. Now whisk the two ingredients well so that they get mixed up really well. So you can make condensed milk at home, very simple. I will leave the recipe link down in the description box below. So mix the two of this really well, and then pour this over the now refrigerated bread and custard mixture. Actually, on second thought, I will leave the recipe for how to make condensed milk at the end of the video. So watch the video till the end so you don't have to go searching for the condensed milk make at home recipe. So now put all of this on top, evenly spread it out. And now we're going to put the remaining chopped nuts that we had. And now you have to refrigerate this for 4 to 5 hours. So this is after 2 hours because I was really impatient. I wanted to see how it tastes. So I was really impatient. So I just dug into it, and guys, it is so delicious. But don't worry, I'm going to stay very patient and I'm going to show it to you all after 4 to 5 hours. But I just wanted to see how it tastes. I was very interested in knowing the taste of this dessert. So after 2 hours of refrigeration, I dug into it, and the custard yet had to become a little more on the harder side, but right now also it is so delicious, guys. It's nice and chill, just perfect for the summertime. But don't worry, I will leave the end result after 4 to 5 hours after waiting patiently, so you'll get to see that, don't worry. So friends, I'll meet you after another 4 hours, and here it is after 4 hours of torture, because I have a big sweet tooth. Me and my son, we both have extremely sweet tooths. My son Aryan and me. My daughter Ira and my husband Abhijit are like, okay, but me and my son just crave sweet. And just look at this, the whole thing is set so well. So down is the lovely custard and top is like an ice cream layer. And you just dig into it. And guys, my mouth was literally, I don't know, I just wanted to have the first bite. And it is amazing. So the wait is really worth it for 4 to 5 hours. Try it out, guys.
Let's see today's no cook instant condensed milk, where you get about 275 grams of condensed milk. Now here I have 1 cup of milk powder. I'm going to add it to a bowl. To that, I'm going to add 6 tablespoons of powdered sugar. So I've just taken sugar and ground it to a fine powder in my mixer jar. And then just take 6 tablespoons of the powdered sugar, add it to the milk powder. Now you're going to whisk the two together really well, that is the milk powder and the powdered sugar, till it mixes in really well. So I use this condensed milk for all my recipes. I'll leave a link of all the recipes that I use this in, like lemon pie and many other recipes, ice cream also. Now here I have 4 tablespoons of butter at room temperature. So get in all that butter. So just 4 ingredients and you have your condensed milk ready in no time. So there's no cooking involved or anything. And then I'm just going to add a quarter cup of 1/4 cup of hot water. So I've just microwaved the water, or you can just boil it on your stove top. So it should be nice and piping hot, and just add a little at a time and mix all the 3 ingredients really well together. Now it does help if you use a whisk, because then you get a very smooth and lump-free mixture. So I always make a batch of this condensed milk and store it in my refrigerator, and whenever I need to make ice cream or any other kind of dessert, I just use it. And I measured it on my measuring scale. You get exactly 275 grams of the mixture. So you can see how fast it's become into this lovely smooth condensed milk consistency. And when you taste it, it tastes just like condensed milk. So you can see the consistency, it's so smooth. So that's it, guys. Your condensed milk is all ready to use for any of your recipes, and I will be posting a recipe very soon in which I will be using this condensed milk, and I will also post the recipes in which I have already used this condensed milk in the description box below. So thank you for being here. Thank you for watching this recipe.
If you like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up. So just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.